The reefRover is an autonomous underwater vehicle that is meant to collect data for marine biology. I'm Danny Corelli, and I'm part of the reefRover team for the Drones for Good competition 2016.
It's definitely the opportunity to have an impact on something real. This is not a homework or a school assignment. We are bringing it to people who actually need it. Everything else is secondary. Of how we build it, what is it going to look like and all. It's all secondary to making this impact to the field of marine biology and marine monitoring.
As it stands right now, there's not enough monitoring that happens of the coral reefs off the coast of the UAE. And so what the reefRover is meant to do is allow people who are not trained to take scientific grade data to contribute to the scientific community. I mean, I think it's a great competition, and the fact that they leave it so open allows for all sorts of directions, and again, it allows teams to find really unique solutions and problems that aren't being addressed. And I really think it's a great competition to advance the field.